In this video, new freshman Avid students will be learning how to take notes. If you guys have know how to take notes during your time in Shaw Hills or any other school, or you have been an Avid, then don't watch this video. But if you're new to Avid or you have not known how to take notes in this way, then fine. This is the video. In Avid, we call them Cornell notes. Cornell notes is different than regular notes. If you see right here, in order to take Cornell notes, you have to put them in a certain way. For example, right here in the first page, right here, you will have the title of the chapter, or if you're taking English, history, math, any one. The next thing you have to do is write your name in the corner in pen. The reason for that is because a lot of students will use pencils, erase it, and then put a new one or change the date just so they don't have to take no notes. If you don't have pen, then they won't count it. And next is the line. This line right here represents dividing it from question to notes. In this section right here, you have to write 3 questions or more or less, but you have to write 3 questions about what you wrote. A question that you write, for example, a question that you want to know, and the notes will give you the answer. But if you already know the answer, you can just write it down to make it look like that. In Avid, you have to have more than in Avid. As you go higher, you have to have more notes. In 9th through 10th, you have to have 3 notes, but in 11th and 12th, you have to have 4 notes. 4 Cornell notes. Right here, this is right now 2. Front and backs are a page. So right here, I have 8 Cornell notes. 8 Cornell notes, and I can use this in Avid for my binder check. Right now, in order to get your points, you have to first highlight and have a summary. The highlight, you have to only highlight what's important for your notes. For example, highlight only the important part, because you can use these Cornell notes for tests, quiz, or finals in Avid or in your other classes. For example, highlight the topic or what you write like this. You don't have to highlight everything. Just highlight the important facts that can be helpful in your classes, in other classes like history, English, or math. Just highlight the certain parts that is important for you. For example, this I will highlight, and I'll stop where it has a period or a dot or a bullet point. The next thing is, you don't have to, like I said, don't highlight the rest. Just highlight if it's important to you or not. You have to highlight all the topics, like the underlines you can highlight, and also you can highlight the vocabulary, words that you don't know, such as vocabulary or other words that you have never heard of. As you write your Cornell notes, highlight the important facts, underline topics or any vocab, and finally the summary. Once you're done with your Cornell notes, at the end of your Cornell notes of any chapter, you have to write a summary. Right here, I don't have no more space, so you have to get a separate sheet of paper to write your summary. For a summary, the summary has to be 5 sentences. Has to have 5 sentences talking about what you learn, what you don't know, what you're about to learn, or how it'll be helpful. So yeah, this is how you take notes in Cornell notes in Avid. This will be helpful for all those students who need it. Thank you for watching my video.